Thank you for your interest in the Zoom Bicycles turn signal and brake light combo. There are three basic components to this system. First of all, this is the control unit. This mounts on your handlebars, whereby you can control the left and right turn signals. The horn, and it also has a light. The second component is the actual light itself. Runs on two AA batteries. And then the brake light sensor. Now this piece attaches to your brake cable, and I'll show you how that goes on. But the idea is when the signal is pressed, it turns on the brake light. I'd like to show you just how to mount the main control unit. It has a screw in the bottom when it comes out of the box, and place it on the inner part of this mounting bracket and then put it back in place. Screw it in place like so. Now it can be mounted on the handlebar. The rear unit is a lot easier to install. It simply clips on to this unit like so. And there you have it. Then simply mount it on the seat post through this and tighten it down. Here we have the unit mounted on a bicycle. As you can see, the lights go behind the rear seat so people following you can see. And the control module goes on your handlebars where you can control it while you're riding. So again, you have the left and the right turn signals, and of course the brake light. So when you pull the brakes, the light comes on and people know you're slowing down. It also has different sounds for the horn. Sounds a bit like a police car. Now, the only real tricky part to this installation is the switch for the brake light. So basically what you want to do, as you see here, there's a screw, and that screw is supposed to hold this unit on the cable so that when you press the brake, on these ones it's a center pull setup. So this cable gets pulled up into the housing up here. The tricky part here is to have it affixed to the cable so that when you pull the brakes, it pulls it up and the switch is activated. So you want to affix it on the cable right about here. Now when you press the brake, it toggles the switch. Here's another angle. A final thing to consider is to zap strap the wires to the frame just to keep everything nice and neat and so the wires do not snag. Thank you for your interest.